That's going up against the number 12 seed. I'm going to try and do this right. Yelling, yow, when something hurts.
You like hammer your thumb and it's big and red.
Yeah, you like pause for a second and then the pain hits you and you yell.
That was so good.
That was really good.
But a good
That's good too. That's really good.
yeah, it's yow!
That's good too.
Wow, you guys are good over there.
Damn.
New York boys are good.
That was almost too excited. You gotta be hurt.
You gotta like, it's like a
That's
You guys got it. I don't got it.
Like imagine if a player tore his ACL running back and you heard that.